Hi, welcome to Arm Wraps. My name is Randy Miller, and what you've seen right here is actually a refrigerator. It's an old refrigerator. She just wanted to wrap it to change the color, and we printed it out on a black matte sheen vinyl, air release vinyl, and we always print it out on our Latex 700W series printer. So it's a good high quality print and everything, solid colors and everything. We're actually in Boise, Idaho, and we're going to be wrapping this guy right here. So when you order a fridge wrap from us, we need the measurements, the height, the width, and how thick the door is. And on this one, it's just the front and one side. So on the body right here, we need to know how deep and how high each door is, or side is. And then we put markers on the prints to indicate the corners of the doors, but also we always add about an inch bleed on top, bottom, 2 inches on the sides, left, right. Same thing right here. We always add about an inch bleed more on the prints, so you have enough room to go in and out and around. Okay, so the next thing we do is we clean. You can use a rubbing alcohol and water or an invisible glass cleaner. This stuff actually does really good with this. And when you clean it, just clean it with the lint-free rag. Now, if you notice, this actually has a little texture to it. The vinyl does fine going over the texture and everything. So when you're cleaning it, just kind of get nice and clean and get it all around the edges. And try to get as far as you can around the edges right here to get it nice and clean. Another thing, these handles right here, they can't be wrapped because there's texture to it, and also it'll be very hard to wrap with this kind of product. Also, spray paint, it won't last very long with the spray paint. So. Well, my customer had an idea. Where did you get this at? Was it Home Depot? Home Depot. And it's just a towel rack. So you can see right here. So what she's going to do, she actually filled in the little holes right here with Bondo and everything. So once the vinyl is set up, actually, yeah, she's going to just place them right here. I think it'll look great once it's up and over. But that's a great idea. To do. So, all right, let's see, got this. I'm going to actually show you guys how I wrap around here. This area is kind of tricky, so if you can actually remove this product, the part going around here. Also, I'm going to try to wrap right here. If we have any extra vinyl, I didn't factor in the material of this right here, but we'll see if we have this. And but what the customer bought was, when she went to Amazon, she just bought black vinyl from Amazon and to do this little area. So we'll see if we can get this done right here. So this is the little project right here. This should estimate, it should take about a little more than an hour for me to do. Usually it sometimes takes a little bit more depending on the complex of this project, but it looks pretty nice. All right, so let's kind of get started. First things first, let's clean it real good. Enjoy the video, and if you've got any comments or questions, comment down below. We're going to do a time-lapse video right now, and it's going to show you how I would do this. So if you want something like this, if you want a solid color, you want black. We have lots of different other colors. Also, we have a lot of designs on our website. Just go to armwraps.com website, and if you want to get a hold of me, 208-696-1180. Also email me at info@armwraps.com. So other than that, enjoy the video.
All I want
Okay, note at the very end, or when I'm wrapping it, I wasn't estimating and wrapping these guys right here, but we had leftover vinyl, and I did this side right here, this, and then also the side over there down below. So anytime you have any leftover vinyl, use it, because when you close it, you can't, the camera doesn't see it, but when you close it, you had that little white strip right there. So now it's not a white strip, it's a black strip. And it just ties everything nicely. Just a quick little note. Okay, this is the end project. It took about an hour and 15 minutes to do the sides, front, and this little booger right here. That was fun to do. It's always a challenge stuff to do. But this is, again, matte sheen air release vinyl, and printed on the HP Latex 700W series printer, so the colors are solid, and as a printer, it's great. Next is what they're going to do is get the handles right there, 2 of them right there, and I think that'll look diamonds. Actually, it's a great idea. Okay, if you want to go, if you're looking for the solid colors, you go to the armwraps.com website, go to refrigerator wraps, and then you can look for solid colors if you want the solid color ones. If you want the designs or anything like that, you can explore the armwraps.com website. If you want something custom, let us know. Email me at info@armwraps.com. Also, call me, 208-696-1180. My name is Randy Miller. Stay tuned, I got other videos to show you, and can go from there. All right, have a good day.